Today's topic is to modify the strings in such a way that it should contain all of the vowels in it. So first we are going to initialize our string and the empty list of it. The string 1, which is our given string on which we need to perform all of our operations, and the string 1 which we are going to convert it into the list. If we don't, then it's going to give us an non-object type of an error, so that's why we're converting it. And after that we are taking the L to be the length of our string 1, and a V, which is our list which consists of all of the vowels. After the temp1 and the temp2, they are our temporary list available over here. Now we have set and condition that if the length is less than 5, then we are saying that please input a valid length of our string, because we need to include all of the vowels, that's why. And else we are going to get started. So first, in this for loop, what we're going to do is we are going to sort all of the distinct vowel in our given string. So we are going to do it by using an if condition over here. So what is the if condition is going to do is it's going to check that if the list of our string is not into the list of our distinct vowel or not. If it is, and if that string is not into the temporary one variable, then we are storing it in the temporary one list. After that, we are sorting all of the vowels which are not present in our given string, and we are storing them into our temporary number 2 variable length list, and we are storing them into the temporary 2 list. After that, we have again initialize and count, which is 0, and we have again initialized the temporary one, which is an empty over here. And over here in this for loop, what we're going to do is we are going to replace all of the characters to get our vowel to store on that particular list of an index over here. So we have set in condition that if the string is again into V, that is a vowel, and is not into a temporary one, then we are storing it in. Else the string of an I variable should be equal to the temp2 of the count over here, and we are increasing the count. And after that, we are checking that if the count is to be of the same length which is into the temporary 2, then we are breaking it out, and after that we are printing it out. Now as you can see it over here, our string comprises of only one vowel, that is an A, which is A, C, D, F, H, J, and to the K. And after doing this code on it, we get an A, E, I, O, U, and to the J, K. A lot of students make a mistake over here, that is they don't include this step over here, neither do this step over here. So what this is going to do is they just directly go through the count and to the temporary variable and to the direct break and if else condition. So what will this do is, if you don't do this for loop and the checking over here, so it will just go through all of this elements in our string 1, and after that it's going to replace the other string elements rather than the vowels, and it's going to replace all of them with vowel over here. So let's say if you get, and we have an A over here, we have one vowel in our string. So if you just don't include this for loop over here, then it will just replace all of our string rather than the other variable, that is the C, D, E, F, J, to the vowels over here, and it will again include an A. So that's how we get an 2 times vowel over here, and which is not a valid. Since we have an A, we need to have other elements than our respected elements. So make sure you write this for loop over here.